Hello students, today I am going to explain problems on group index under module 3, lecture number 3. In the previous video we have discussed about group index. Today I am going to take one problem, it is a university problem. So problem number 1, the index properties of the subgrade soil are given below. Passing 0.074 mmCu 55%, liquid limit 50%, plastic limit 41%. Classify the soil by HRB system. Step 1, given data, passing 0.074 mmCu 55%, liquid limit 50%, plastic limit 41%. Step 2, to find, classify the soil by HRB system. Step 3, formula, group index equals 0.2a plus 0.005 AC plus 0.01 BD. Coming to the solution, case A, classify the soil by HRB system. From the table 6.4, as percentage passing 0.074 mmCu is more than 35%, the soil is fine grained soil. So coming to the here statements, there are two statements here. First one is A1, A2, A3 soils are granular soils. Percentage fines passing 0.074 mmCu being less than 35%. But in this problem they given passing 0.074 mmCu is 55%. That is coming to the step 2. In the sense here A4, A5, A6, A7 soils are fine grained or sealed clay soil passing 0.074 mmCu being greater than 35%. This condition satisfied with the second case 0.074 Cu being greater than 35%, so that soil belongs to fine grained or sealed clay soil. The soil is fine grained soil because here percentage of passing from the 0.074 mmCu is greater than 35%. Given here 0.0 mmCu 55% greater than 35, therefore the soil is fine grained soil as per the statement. Coming to the second one here, here there are two cases, either first one or second one. It belongs to second. In that second category, again we have with A4, A5, A6, A7. We need to identify whether it belongs to A4 or A5 or A6 or A7. So that we need to discuss by using graph. Okay. For this, in the x-axis we can see the liquid limit and y-axis plasticity index. Okay, here is the liquid limit. Liquid limit given in the problem is 50%, and plasticity index. So we need to calculate plasticity index. Plasticity index nothing but liquid limit minus plastic limit. Liquid limit given in the problem is 50% minus plastic limit given in the problem is 41. So 50 minus 41 is 9%. Here plasticity index is 9%. So based on this plasticity index and the liquid limit, we need to identify whether it belongs to A4 or A5 or A6 or A7. So here there are four groups: A4, A5, A6, A7. So coming to here, using the chart. So first very important thing here, there are we can see the one vertical dark lines and one horizontal dark lines. Okay, so here is 40 and here is 10. Then liquid limit is less than 40% and plasticity index is less than 10%. That belongs to A4 group. Second one, liquid limit is more than 40% and liquid limit less than 10%. It belongs to A5 group. And liquid limit less than 40% and plasticity index greater than 10% is belongs to A6. And last one is liquid limit greater than 40% and plasticity index greater than 10% is belongs to A7 group. And as per this statement, here liquid limit is 50%, here is the 50%, so you just draw one vertical line, and similarly plasticity index is 9%, so draw one line horizontal here. So it connect with A5 group. So using the chart figure 9.1, the classification of group is A5. Then group index GI equals 0.2A plus 0.005 AC plus 0.01 BD. Here A equals 55% minus 35 equals 20%. So here you may ask like how it comes 35% and all. Coming to the A1 group, according to the group index statement, okay, so this is not more than 55%, sorry, 35%. So 55% minus 35%, so we'll get, so here A4A soil is generally silty soil, non-plastic or moderately plastic in nature with liquid limit of plastic limit value less than 40 and 10% respectively. Okay, so in the problem previous slide I have given what is A, what is B, what is C, what is D. 55 minus 35% is 20, and B here again 55% minus 15 is 40%, and C equals 50% minus 40% 10%, and D equals 9% minus 10% equals minus 1, here 1. So therefore substitute all these values in a above equation and we will get group index values. I got group index value is 5, therefore the soil classification is A equals A5, because A5 from the graph under 5, the group index value is 5. The category is A5 and group index value of the particular soil is A5. So in the graph here we can see that A2 5, like that, A2 for something. Okay. Next, coming to the problem number 2. Lab test on soil sample obtained from highway project site reveals that 56% of soil passing through 200 mm ISCU 0.074 mmCU and liquid limit and plastic limit of soil are 36% and 23%. Determine the group index of the soil classified as per HRB system. So coming to the problem number 2 here. Okay. Solution: classify the soil by HRB system from the table 6.4% passing 0.74 mmCV is more than 35%. The soil is fine grade. Again category 2, that is A4, A5, A6, A7. So that is fine grained soil as per is similar to previous problem. And coming to the plasticity index, that is nothing but liquid limit minus plasticity limit, 36 minus 23 13%. So here from the graph, here is plasticity index is 30, plasticity limit is 30%, 36%. Sorry, here 36%, and plasticity index is 13, above more than 10, that belongs to A6 group. Here plasticity index is 36 lesser than 40, and plasticity index 13 greater than 10, so it belongs to A6 group. So coming to the group index, 0.02A plus 0.05AC plus 0.01BD is the formula for group index. And coming to the A, that portion of material passing 0.074 mmCU greater than 35% and not exceeding 75%. So that's why we need to consider 56 minus 35%, this is 21. Second one B, so that portion of material passing 0.074 mmCU greater than 15% and not exceeding 35%. So 56 minus 15, 41. The range is 0 to 40. Then C equals, again that push the value of liquid limit excess 40% and less than 60%. Therefore 36 minus 40 minus 4 is 0. And the last one, that value of P plasticity index greater than 10 and not more than 30. So 13 minus 10, 3. By using the above equation, substitute all the values in above equation, we need to calculate the group index. So I got value is 5. So therefore soil classification is A6.